Hey guys, have a new DIY for you today. Stay tuned. I'm going to start with these three tin buckets from Dollar Tree. They're the white ones. I'm going to use my black paint pen and just go around the rims and the bottom and the handles to give it that chippy look. I started just doing it in places, but I thought it looked better when I went all the way around it. It's a very simple project, guys. Turned out really cute. Later on you'll see I used some chalkboard stickers, and I believe I picked those up at Walmart on clearance. I've had them for a while, and then I'll just decorate them. And as you can see here, that's when I went back and filled in the other one. It looks much better with a solid line around, and you don't have to be perfect. It needs to be a little sloppy, I guess you would say. And here they are after I used the paint pen on them. Now it's time to place the chalkboard stickers and decorate. And here are those chalkboard stickers from Walmart. I don't know if they still have them, but I'm sure you can find chalkboard stickers at some store. And I'll be using my white paint pen to write number 4, number 5, and number 6 on the chalkboard stickers. And I'll use this raffia. As you see, I did put some Dollar Tree bags down in the bottom of the buckets just to fill it up some. So I'll place some raffia in, and then I'm going to use a scarecrow, a pumpkin, and an owl to sit in these. And here they are, guys. I think these turned out so cute and very simple to do. I hope you enjoyed this quick DIY tonight, and if you did, please hit that like button, comment below. Also, if you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you join. And if you are, you know I thank you so very much for your continued support. Remember, guys, like, share, and comment, and I will see you in my next video.